We've had a week of rain. It's dryish today, so number 2 child and I have just dropped number 1 child at school, and we're going to go have a look and see what survived. We're at the bottom gate today. Normally come in the top where the car park is, and this road path can be really boggy, so it's really pleasing to see it. It isn't boggy. Gives me hope. Means I can get the buggy. There we go, get the buggy along, which is what I've not been able to do all week. We've just seen a squirrel jump up there. It's not looking too bad. I mean, the weeds have gone crazy, but the plants have kind of gone a bit crazy too with all that rain. Okay, so after that week and a bit of really heavy rain, it's not looking too bad. In a permaculture kind of way, it's looking really beautiful. I know it's not neat and tidy, but it's working with nature. It's looking good. So I'm going to wander around doing a bit of weeding now. Hopefully it won't be too bad now these potatoes are covering so much of the ground surface. Just have a wee nosy around. Oh look, this was not excuse the wind. I've noticed that there are so many onions and garlics going to seed across the whole plot, and I think the whole YouTube community are the same. Look, some of those have survived. I need to do a bit of pea surgery there because they've kind of not found a support. And some of the sweet corn are coming up, but I did bring up some home sown sweet corn to put in the gaps that haven't grown, so not looking bad at all. And over there I've even got a couple of green tomatoes growing. There we go, most of the sweet corn are starting to shoot. A few of them haven't, so those are the ones I will be replacing with ones I've sown at home. Okay, marigolds are a sacrificial plant, but this, look at this! It's been absolutely slaughtered, this poor marigold. It was beautiful last week, but I suppose at least if they've eaten that, they've left my tomatoes alone. These are my other marigolds I planted amongst my tomatoes, and they have been nibbled as well. Now, if you remember, I had a problem with ants farming aphids. I mean, you can still see there are ants there. Not too bad, certainly not as bad as it was last week. And you remember I planted a marigold in the middle? That's the marigold. So, I'm guessing it's worked, but I need more marigolds because these ants are carrying back on over here now. And I don't want to lose all my lovely squash to aphids. Okay, you've done a few jobs today. The 2-year-old's threshold is 30 minutes and I've doubled that, so he's desperate to go now. So if you hear deet deet, he's just complaining I haven't fed him enough. But we only harvested 6 strawberries and he ate them all, and he's had snack bars, so he's just got a bottomless pit of a stomach. Now I'm going to try and remember what I've put in here. At the far end, a few plants have died, so I put in something called Bloomhild, climbing beans. Next to them there's a pumpkin. I think that's pumpkin, no, courgettes down there. Down there. So my parents came out yesterday and gave me loads of plants, so I've stuck them in quickly. And then here we've got cucumbers, melon, pumpkin. I think that's it. It feels like I've done more because I've weeded. I've given it a very light touch weed. And this is how much I've ended up with. That black bin bag there. That's going home with me. Go in the bin. I haven't watered the grow house, so I'm going to have to come back either later or tomorrow morning and do that, because although it's been wet, obviously they haven't felt the benefit of that. And as you can see, I'm really going to have to get some of these out because they're getting rather massive. Look at those lovely Swedes. It's amazing, if you put something in the grow house, it gives it a real burst of growth that you just can't get on a windowsill at home. And there's my marigolds to keep all those aphids away. And those are my only celeriac. Right, that's him. He's finished now. He obviously wants to go home, so we're going to go. The only other thing I did right down the end where I've lost some Brussels sprouts, I put some more Brussels sprouts in. And these I haven't had time to find a space for. They are not what you are thinking, or so my mother assures me. They're called cleome, and they're a flower. Yes, baby, we're going to go now. So until next time, my allotment bids you goodbye.